Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this t-shirt by Apple. This is sold at their Infinite Loop headquarters store. So t-shirt in here. This is what the packaging looks like. Here is the shirt. Infinite Loop rainbow t-shirt. Cotton, 100% medium. All right, here's what it's like unboxing this shirt. Okay, it comes in this plastic packaging. Let's see, here. Put this aside. Medium. All right, nothing on the back. And this is the OG Office Infinite Loop and the rainbow Apple logo. That's it, nothing too special. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you next time. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.